Hello everyone, and today we are going to face one more rook's ending and pawn race. And if you remember a few days ago, we saw this position, and the mistake I did previous time, I said nothing to scan in this position, but actually I did not. It was maybe c pawn if I remember correct. Yeah, and I said nothing to scan here. Let's think about candidates moves, but actually this is quite good position for scanning, because previous time I simply didn't notice this is the hanging pawn, and if I noticed if I scan and notice this is hanging pawn, I simply can just mm, simply just can I would never see it's not like I would never miss. I can just capture the pawn, like attacking second weakness. It was so here. What am I noticing? I mean, I just maybe it's not that clear for you, but I automatically notice these files. Like if we have simultaneous promotions, we check, take the queen. Yeah, this is tactical weakness. Of course, we see all the ways for the rook to interfere, yes, and all the ways to interfere maybe with check, but basically these two files and this file also like check, take pawn. So the idea for white again, sacrifice the rook for the pawn and shoulder the king, shouldering and promote the pawn. King e4 is not necessarily, but the idea is not allow him to stop the pawn. Here is also ideas like cutting the king and simply wait till it plays b6 and then go back like rook. This one like shuttle, I call it, when we jump forward, backward. Nakamura says it's like dilly dally, if I remember, or yo-yo. So the idea is we move here, and we come back, and the king cannot protect the pawn. Like by this way, we cut the king by this rank, and usually people easy to see when cut the king by the file, because much more examples. But people not easy to see, but it's basically 64 squares. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, when we can cut the king with the rank, and on the fifth rank, an example here, and it's the same. We just don't see it because we have less examples in our mind. So this is possible idea. This is possible idea for the opponent. Possible defensive ideas from this side. Sacrifice here. Some tricks with checks. And of course, we see interferences from this side, from this side, from this side. And we see this opportunity to attack from his this idea. And like in previous example, when we solved this puzzle, we had the idea attacking two weaknesses. But here, basically after rook c5 here, b6, rook b5, takes b7. And we're losing. It doesn't work. If we move forward, then he cannot cross. She is a little bit tactical weakness. One more interesting tactical weakness. We can check and here, and we also can check and here. Like if I play b7, king c7, I create threat rook c6, rook b6 with the check. Or if she is trying to play king g5, what is that? Why is it before a4? Yes. Wait, g2, it's a4, before is b5. Okay. So g2, here this idea, this trick, and so he kind of must sacrifice. We take, and then king b4, and why is it not drawn? Because basically it seems like completely drawn. He is shouldering and successfully draw this. I don't understand it. So takes, and I don't have any check in between. I cannot cut the king. So seems won't only move this. Otherwise, he suck the rook and play king b4. I must check carefully, but maybe there is something like 3 here and 1, 2, 3 here. I mean, and she shoulder 1, 2. No, no way. Yeah, I'm trying to calculate it faster without precision, but based on feelings, because in real game, I would do this, not like play I'm here, she here, I play here, she here, and so, something like that. No, it's too slow in routing. And it seems like this one is only move, but where the trick? Go back and check back. This one, this trick. So the same yo-yo, but with another idea. Check, and this is also quite cute scanning scanning idea, because look, the pawn, and we move rook back, and we attack with this and this. And by the way, it's much easier to solve this puzzle because we had previous puzzle when we see the pawn as tactical weakness, which during the scanning, as I mentioned, when I started this video, I said, oh, I did not say, I said in previous puzzle, like it's nothing to scan. Yeah, something. There is tactical weakness this pawn, and now it's becoming easy to solve this puzzle with this ideas. Also, I always love to describe rooks like imagine 2 warriors, and each of them attacking from different sides, from all sides possible with the swords, yes, and another protecting, defending. So if you understand like this, you will see many tricks which people usually miss, like see short sides to blockade the pawn, see all this one, see all the interferences, see all the abilities to attack this pawn from different sides, like this, and indirect attacks, like by using check, yes, like check, or check, something like that. Okay, so assume rook c5, the threat is rook b5. He cannot sacrifice here because he cannot move pawn. We immediately take it, and he cannot move the king. And king g3, wait, king b3 does nothing, so we just can push, I guess. Yes, because it's not improvement. It's even worse. And so I assume she has to play b6, but then we come back. And he cannot play b7, rook a6, rook b6, rook b7. So he has to play something like rook b8, but then b7, it doesn't work. So it just really. So let's check. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, boom, done. And it was very easy because we now we could understand its tactical weakness. We use scanning, and now imagine, yes, you use candidate moves. It's not to reject candidate moves. Many positions we solve by using this wonderful technique, candidate moves ideas. Yes, but many positions is much easier to solve through scanning, like you, and almost in any position it's useful to use scanning, because you simply train your brain to see things easily, effortlessly. It's like I mean, if we calculate, I did not calculate anything. Notice nothing to calculate, almost. But if I would calculate this position, I would spend hours probably. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye. And wish you bye from Cambodia. Okay, so wait then. Okay, stop, share, and bye-bye. And